Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from Barcelona at SmartCon 2023 by Chainlink. Joining me for this segment, we have Ernesto Boado. He's a co-founder of BGD Labs, and we're here to discuss what the next big industry trend in Web3 is. Ernesto, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thanks, Jill.
You got it. Tell me about BGD Labs and what's on the roadmap for the organization.
Yeah, so BGD Labs is like, we are a native team in the blockchain. So we are contributing to the Aave protocol, which is like pretty well known, like the DeFi application. Previously I was like CTO at Aave, and now we are like engaged directly with the Aave DAO, which is a decentralized entity, let's say, and basically we do development to this DAO. So we develop a bit of in DeFi, governance systems, a bit of like all kind of software around the blockchain ecosystem.
So you've worked quite a bit with Chainlink. How are you implementing Chainlink's technology?
Yeah, so like our history with Chainlink comes from really back in the days, like almost 4 years ago, I think, with Aave. So since the beginning, like of the protocol, like we integrated Chainlink with price oracles, like when both teams were a bit smaller than we are now. Our relation has been like really strong, like and we evolved like kind of together over these years. As time passed by, like Chainlink released like new other systems. So for example, we integrated proof of reserve too in the Aave protocol. Now we are integrating CCIP, like which is Chainlink just released like I think 1 month ago.
Right.
And basically some others like automation. We also we work with that, and basically almost everything. There is like room of synergies. Yeah.
What's the next big industry trend in Web3?
I think like we are still in a pretty early stage, like on Web3 and generally in blockchain technology, I prefer to call, like, so it feels like from the size of DeFi protocols or networks like Chainlink that everything is really mature, and certainly it is, but at the same time we know that the potential is like not even close of what can it be in the future. So a bit of everything, like finance is like usually the quite typical that everybody sees, but identity is also like a really big topic with potential in the future. Like governance systems, like within that they have like a space in the real world. Like a lot of new networks and environments, blockchain environments are appearing, and also like institutions. I think like capital markets. Is going to be like really big. That is my bet, because more and more you see like that what we call the traditional world is seeing that like the potential of blockchain technology, like to maybe not to change completely everything, but like to really optimize points that are really difficult with traditional software. But that
so it's not traditional finance versus DeFi. It's a way of integrating the two of them together. So how do you view the future of decentralized finance?
Yeah, I think like precisely what you say, that is finance at the end of the day. Like, and what we are creating is mainly software that the finance itself can adopt, like for particular places. How I see it is, I think how most everybody see it is not a replacement of everything in capital markets, but more of like a complement here and there that will make everything way more optimal, and yeah, it will evolve the finance field.
What are some of the key themes you expect to hear at SmartCon this year?
I think there is quite a lot of interesting things, like so Chainlink products themselves, like how is it going, like with the new ones, like CCIP. I think probably there will be some new announcement, like as the Chainlink team has as used to. But then I saw like about CK technology. Obviously, I saw about DeFi around, like which is heavily tied with Chainlink. Yeah, I hope to see quite a lot of interesting and diverse things like too. So.
All right, Ernesto, appreciate the insight. Thank you for joining us on Trade Talks.
Thank you.
And thanks for joining us from SmartCon. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.